Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to set your username on Telegram. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Telegram. Then you can see many options on this page. Click on 3 vertical lines at top left corner. Then you can see my profile option. Click on it. Then click on 3 vertical dot at top right corner. You can see set username option. Click on it, then write there your username, which you want to upload on your profile. Then click on tick option at top right corner. Finally guys, in this way, you can easily set your username on Telegram.